Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Game of Thrones Kingsroad game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on Android phones. So here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to simply restart your Android device. So just restart your device, and once your device restart, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for Game of Thrones Kingsroad app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Game of Thrones Kingsroad and tap on it, and if you find any updates available for this app, then update it, and after updating it, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check. Next solution is to check for internet connection. So please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. Now if you are connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check, and if you are connected to Wi-Fi, then you can switch to mobile data and then check. If possible, then you can also connect to a different Wi-Fi or different mobile data network via hotspot and then check Game of Thrones Kingsroad app is working or not. Solution 4 is to force stop or force close the Game of Thrones Kingsroad app. So tap and hold the Game of Thrones Kingsroad app icon, then click on app info, then tap on force stop and then click on force stop to confirm it, and then you can go back, launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then you have to clear the Game of Thrones Kingsroad app cache. So you can tap and hold the app icon, then click on app info, tap on storage usage and then click on clear cache and confirm it, then go back, launch the game and check. Now if still your problem is not solved, then also tap on clear data, but clearing the app data will delete app data including files and settings permanently from this device. So if you agree, only then tap on delete to confirm it, and then you can go ahead, launch the game, download the additional data and then try to launch the game and check. If still your problem is not solved, then you have to allow the background activity for this app. So tap and hold the app icon, then tap on app info, go to battery usage and check mark the first option, allow background activity, and then again click on allow to confirm and then go back, launch the game and check. Next solution is to connect to a VPN. So open Play Store, tap on search for a VPN and search for it, and then you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store, such as ExpressVPN, Turbo VPN, Proton VPN, Ninja VPN, Brave VPN, NordVPN. So you can install any VPN of your choice from the Play Store and then launch the VPN app and then select a different location than your current location, and then go ahead, launch the Game of Thrones Kingsroad game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if you're already connected to a VPN, then disconnect it and then check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to reinstall Game of Thrones Kingsroad app. So tap and hold Game of Thrones Kingsroad app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm, and then just restart your device. And after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Game of Thrones Kingsroad game, and then you will see the install button. So tap on install, and after installing it, go ahead, launch the game and check. Now after following all these fixes, if still your problem is not solved, then the last thing you must do is to check for the Game of Thrones Kingsroad app server status. So if you find that the server status is offline, under maintenance or having any kind of outage, then you can't do anything. You have to just wait for the server status to get back online, and then you can check back later. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Game of Thrones Kingsroad game not launching or won't launch issue or launching failed problem on Android phones. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.